Welcome to Devonshire's Claims. In this video we answer commonly asked questions. What does no win no fee actually mean? A no win no fee agreement, also known as a conditional fee agreement, enables victims of medical negligence to bring a claim for compensation without the worry of upfront solicitor's fees.
What happens if your case is successful? You will receive compensation for your injury and loss. Most of your legal costs will be paid by the defendant, with a relatively small amount being deducted from your compensation. This means that you do not have to worry about paying legal costs upfront from your own pocket, giving you peace of mind.
So what happens if your case is not successful? Well, if your case is ultimately unsuccessful, you will not incur any costs, provided of course you've been honest and cooperative throughout.
Devonshire's Claims has over 20 years' experience in obtaining justice and compensation for our clients. Medical negligence is all we do. Unlike other law firms who handle a variety of claims, we specialise in medical negligence, so you can rest assured that your case is being dealt with by experts who support you through every step of your claim.
Bringing a medical negligence claim can be a complex and expensive process, requiring the analysis of detailed medical evidence, issuing court proceedings, and complying with onerous court procedures. Devonshire's Claims takes away the need to worry about any of this. We take the stress and the strain out of making a claim, allowing you to focus on your health or looking after a loved one.
So call us today on 0333 900 8787 to start your free case evaluation or complete our online form.